Okay, for the last question, number 8, we have this diagram given here, and all the coordinates are stated in the diagram, and we need to find the equations of AC, equations of BC, the coordinates of E. E is the intersection of these two lines, the lines AC and BD, so that gives E here as the answer. And then we shall ignore this last part because for the similar part you haven't gone through the chapter yet, so we will do A and B. So here I copy down again the diagram with all the coordinates given. So to find the equation of AC, here we have A and C as a coordinate, so it's good that you write down the coordinates of A and C here so that you can find the gradient easily. So when you write down the coordinates, these are all given. The gradients will be just formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So 4 minus negative 5 over 5 minus negative 7. So this gives a value of 3/4. Next we have to find C. So from this diagram there is no value on the y-intercept, so you have to calculate the value of C. So when the value of m here is 3/4, y equals to mx plus c becomes y equals to 3/4 x plus c. So I'm going to replace y and the x here from the coordinates, one of the coordinates of the line. So the coordinates I chose is c5, 4, because there's no negative here. So x equals to 5, y equals to 4. X coordinates equals to 5, y coordinates equals to 4. So when I replace this value inside, y4, x5, I can find the value of C. So 3/4 times 5, I'll get 15/4. Move the 15/4 to this left hand side, so I have 4 minus 15/4, which is equals to C. So here there's an added step of 4 minus 15/4, which is equals to C. So from here I rewrite C is 4 minus 15/4, and this is equals to 1/4. So C is 1/4, replace here, y equals to mx plus c. M is 3/4. So the equation of AC is y equals to 3/4 x plus 1/4. Similar steps for the next equation, which is BD. So BD, write it on the right. B is 4, 0. D will be negative 5, 3. So given again, so I can find the gradient of BD. So I have 0 minus 3 over 4 minus negative 5. So this will give a value of negative 1/3. So again, C is not given on the diagram. So I'm going to update y equals to mx plus c, replace the m by negative 1/3 here. So it becomes y equals to negative 1/3 x plus c. So I'm choosing one of the value again on the coordinates of B. So x equals to 4, y equals to 0. So y has been changed to 0, x changed to 4. I have 0 equals to, so negative 1/3 times 4 is negative 4/3 plus c. So move this negative 4/c to the other side. So I have 4/3 equals to c. So from here I have c equals to 4/3. So this will be the value of c. So y equals to mx plus c becomes y equals to negative 1/3 x plus 4/3. Okay, so the next